Starting today, all cryptocurrency businesses in Dubai will come VARA certified. And so in this video, we're going to look at what does that mean and what is VARA. Today's episode is sponsored by Cake Wallet, where you can send, receive, and even exchange your crypto right from within the wallet. Cake Wallet is open source and non-custodial, so you control your own private keys. Available today on iOS, macOS, Android, and Linux. Good evening everybody, and a super warm welcome to Enter Crypto, where every single day I keep you informed and fully up to date on all things crypto. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then like, subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any future updates. Now today we're going to be talking about VARA and Dubai, and basically starting from today, all cryptocurrency businesses in Dubai are going to be VARA certified, and that's whether you're just using Bitcoin to buy a home or buy a house or settle any bills. They will all come regulated. So as always guys, we'll just quickly read through this article and then we'll comment after. So Dubai, it's the start of a brand new chapter for all crypto businesses in Dubai as they operate as licensed and fully regulated entities by the Emirates Virtual Assets Regulator. The transition means businesses engaged in crypto assets need to show they have the credentials to conduct these operations, and if things go wrong, their clients are in a relatively good position to be duly compensated. What Dubai is trying to avoid is the kind of blowouts crypto firms that have had in markets where laws were inadequate or are still being framed. In real terms, wherever cryptocurrencies are being used, let's say buying or selling bitcoins or using to pay off on a property investment or even a hotel bill, will require the businesses involved to have all the licenses in place to do so. The main point to note is that any traditional business, a hotel operator or even a rental car dealer, accepting or transacting in virtual assets for its business purpose must be duly registered with the authorities per the licensing criteria, said Arun John, who is the Chief Market Analyst at Dubai-based Century Financial. From August the 31st, entities in Dubai that qualify for the full market product license can commence their transition to a VARA, which stands for Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority regime. First, these businesses had to first clear another regulatory deadline, and that is respond to an initial disclosure questionnaire which was issued by VARA by April the 30th, and failure to do so had consequences. This resulted in suspension of, let me just read the quote. Reportedly, BitOasis, which is a crypto trading platform, failed to meet the regulator's conditions and did not submit certain essential documents in the time allotted. So this resulted in a suspension of BitOasis's operational license, and as wake-up calls go, this one show delivered its message loud, and that VARA meant business when it comes to compliance measures. This is according to industry sources. The UAE has been quick with creating a regulatory framework for crypto, such as Bitcoin. The authorities see a definite and defined space for virtual assets in the wider financial services landscape, and in contrast, some of the biggest global jurisdictions are still way off from having even a modicum of regulations related to crypto. And while ADGM oversees the virtual asset space in Abu Dhabi, VARA's coverage encompasses Dubai, an entity registered under the Dubai World Trade Center Authority. It is responsible for regulating and supervising virtual assets and virtual asset related activities in all free zones in Dubai, except at the IFC. And so the end game: establish the UAE as one of the world's focal points for crypto-facing businesses at a time when the virtual assets landscape is going through a lot of churn related to jurisdictions, operational rights, licensing, and more. And so really we've got, as far as on the regulation side, Dubai is really trailblazing here. You know, they have not only, they have put into place and implemented very clear regulations for all crypto businesses. They've given people time to respond, and basically it sounds like every business except for one, as they've mentioned here, has managed to become compliant and continue to operate as a normal business. So this is really good news, and this is not just good news for the businesses that are in Dubai now, which it obviously is good news, but it's also good news for anyone wanting to start a business, or anyone that's that's wanting to go to Dubai, but also anyone that's unsure as to where they're going to start up a business. If I want to start my own crypto trading exchange, but I live in Japan, and Japan has really crazy laws, or they just don't have any regulatory framework that I can go by, and so I'm going to be taking a massive risk, then I already know that I can go to Dubai. I know the rules already. I can look at them, I can see if it fits for me, and I can move my business to Dubai. And as long as my business stays compliant, because I know what the rules are going to be, then I know there's no risk, there's no regulatory risk for me. Whereas if I was in, say, Japan or the US, especially the US, I could end up in hot water in 2 or 3 years, in where the SEC have decided that some cryptocurrencies are securities and have decided to take my company to court, and I'm going to be in deep trouble. Whereas with this, in Dubai, I already know that what I'm going to be allowed to do and what I'm not going to be allowed to do, and so I can go there and I can trade. And it's really, really great. And I don't know why, if it's so easy for Dubai to do this, I just don't know why the UK, the US, all the big countries can't just get it done. Why is it taking so long? And really, they're just getting left behind, because Dubai is becoming more and more attractive, certainly in the last 10 or 15 years, just from a financial point of view anyway, because there's less restrictions. But now it's also becoming a kind of a crypto hub as well. So my advice would be to keep an eye on Dubai. They really are embracing crypto, and it's really great to see, actually. So that's what I've got for you today, guys. As always, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notifications bell if you found you got some value from this video. Bye, guys.